Hello, everybody. Welcome back to TFB. We have a new box. It's from TSM Model TSM Miniatures. For those of you who don't know, TSM True Scale Miniatures, they are the makers of Mini GT, and that brand name TSM is the one that they use for the bigger scales. But yeah, this is going to be Mini GT, and why I'm showing you this section is because it says opened for customs. Yes, guys, they open all these boxes to make sure that inside are scale models and not something else. So yeah, complying with the rules and regulations of our country. So let's check what's inside. What's the new drop like? It's a big box this time around. Usually you see some square boxes. This time it's a big rectangular box. That's how big it is. So I'm going to move it out of the frame and let's see what do we have this time around from Mini GT. We still have tons of confetti. And what's the first car? This honestly was already dropped. This is the Nissan Skyline GTR 33. We saw that in the Advan livery. We also saw it in a green livery. And now we have this beautiful looking red, white and blue classic motorsport colors. And this is built for the human race, which is why it says BFTHR. That's the livery. It's already dropped. I saw some of you already sharing photos and videos on Instagram. Some of you even tagged us. Thank you so much for doing that. And I think it's a lovely looking casting. So this is one that I want to unbox and keep next to my Advan. What do we have next? Ooh, another Kaido House. And this is a rather important one. The Frog. This is a Fairlady Z. And this is a part of the Tamiya collab. Definitely doing an unboxing video on this and some nice stories to tell. What do we have next? Lots of confetti flying around. The Silvia is back, the S13R in a circuit spec V1. It's again got some classic motorsport colors in the white, red and black and yellowed headlamps. This is certainly one that I want to see. We liked it in the other colorways. This I want to definitely check out. What do we have next? I can see the Hyundai N logo. It's a Kona, the Hyundai Kona in a phantom black. Another Mini GT. Which one is this? Another one of the candy Tolemans. So we saw that a little while back. This one is already dropped too, and it's a lightweight package, just the way the car was. We have an IMSA, a Corvette. Just can't have enough of these yellow Corvettes, right? But why don't they have the same kind of following as the Rexy, Roxy, etc.? It's IMSA, right? All of you claim to love IMSA. So what are your thoughts on the Corvette? But I know I've seen the car up close and I think it just looks gorgeous. And yeah, a lot of you love collecting these as well. I know that. But why don't you give it the same love as the Porsches? Let me know in the comments. Or let me know, what do you think? Why don't people give it the same love? Oh, more confetti flying. Another Kaido House. This one I'm definitely looking forward to. I love that manga-inspired livery on this. Proper Initial D vibes. And this is the Honda Civic EF in the manga V1. I hope that Kaido House puts this manga livery on some other cars. Come on, Kaido, let's also do a Hachiroku in a similar fast manga livery. I think it will look amazing. But let me know your thoughts, guys. Okay, what else do we have? We have a BMW M4 in the Daytona Violet. We saw the M3 Touring as well in a similar color. And digging these wheels. Again, this is something that I saw on Instagram. Some of you have already posted photographs of this and it looks gorgeous. So this one I'm definitely looking forward to opening and adding to my BMW collection. What else do we have? I see a light blue. The Kenmeri, the Liberty Walk Kenmeri in the 75 racing concept. Again, Nissan's corporate colors, white, red and blue. Very similar to what we saw with the built for the human race Kaido. So that's a similar color combo. Of course, the blue is different. They've gone with a nice sky blue out here. So that's another beautiful casting. What else do we have? Is it a Ford? Yes, it's a Ford. We've got the Mustang Dark Horse with the Ford Performance Racing again. We again have the iconic motorsport colors, white, red and blue. Again, the blue is going to be different. But yeah, the motorsport fraternity just loves this color combo, right? So, and looks great on any sporty car or any car for that matter. Even on a Land Cruiser, it will look great. So yeah, nice colors. What do we have next? Another Toyota, this time a VeilSide. This is the Supra Combat V2 and I think it looks gorgeous in black. I have seen this again on Instagram. A lot of you tagged us as well. In fact, we just posted a reel this morning with Hot Customs. Shout out to Hot Customs. He posted that reel and invited us to collaborate. And I think it's a beautiful looking car. I like the original gray. I was not a big fan of the white one that dropped alongside this just last week, but the black one, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Especially with that Combat V2 body kit, I think it looks beautiful. If you haven't checked out that reel, do so now, or rather after this video. And this is a rather important casting, and this I want to again do an up-close video with. This is the RX-7 RE-Amemiya. Now, some of you might say, hey, we've got tons of RX-7 Amemiyas, but I know you definitely need this because there's a ton of detail on this car, which is something that we will talk about in another video. We have, I think, one more Kaido House with the Datsun logo, and this is the 510 Street in a Nismo V3. Now, we have seen a bunch of these 510 Streets in some plain colors like these, but I think the red one just stands out. It's a bright red. The box shows a slightly maroonish color or a darkish red, but yeah, it's a bright red and definitely want to check that out. And a proud Datsun logo right here because that's the color that they're using on this car. But yeah, I think we've had enough of 510s already. But we haven't had enough of red sporty cars. And the last one is the Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary in this beautiful red. Now, I did a longish video on a bigger scale red Countach, and I explained a lot of stuff about the shape of the wing and where that came from, the shape of those wheel arches, where they came from. So definitely do check out that video as well, and we'll do one unboxing with this 25th anniversary as well. Beautiful looking car, simple plain colors, and that beautiful wedge silhouette that Lamborghinis are known for. It all started with this car. But we'll do an unboxing later on this. So like I said, a big drop this time around. And the last one is the Skyfall, the 007 Skyfall. This is the Aston Martin DB5, but this is different than the one that we've seen previously because at the front, it's some cool detailing. Bullet holes. Yep, that's what's in there. So that's something stunning and that's something worth looking forward to. So yeah, that's what the collection or the drop looks like this time around. So then guys, that is the big drop. Some of it already released, some of it coming real soon. So from the stuff that's just dropped or even from the stuff that's coming, which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. I'm definitely excited about the Frog. I'm excited about the Kenmeri. I'm definitely excited about the VeilSide, even if we've seen a few of those. The RE-Amemiya D1 GP, definitely going to take a look at that. I love the S13, so want to check that out. And of course, that manga livery on that Civic. So these are my favorites for sure. This casting, I anyway like. You guys know that, whoever follows this channel closely, you know I love the Advan and I love that green one that they've done in the past. And this is, again, an iconic color, so definitely worth checking that out. And I want to see how much of a difference this one, the DB5, is compared to the older releases that they've done. Some new details coming on in there. So I'm super excited about this drop. And of course, adding that BMW to my BMW collection. But let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Thank you so much for watching this one. Until the next one, take care, drive safe, happy collecting.